Alright, I'm in New Jersey and I just got up. I'm about to look outside for the first time. Let's see. What the hell?